Hi guys, this is Lauren, and for my screencast, I'm going to do a Glogster. I'm going to give it a Glogster tutorial. It's a Web 2.0, and essentially what a Glogster is, it's a website geared towards teachers and students, and you can go on, and it has a whole bunch of templates and backgrounds and different things, different tools that it gives you to make an online poster board. And the kids can basically log on, create their own. It's super easy to use, and you can present it in class, you can print it out, you can project it over on an overhead projector, and the kids can present off of it. So you're going to go to edu.glogster.com. I'm sorry, I spelled that wrong. This computer's being very slow today. Okay, and here we are. You're going to sign in. I'm logging in with Google. If you have a Gmail account, then you don't need to go and make an account and password. You sign in with your Gmail information. And apparently I'm already logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new glog. Right up here, what's going on? I'm going to use a classic glog. It's just a blank template. They have a lot of pre-made templates already for different things, but for our purposes, we're just going to start with a blank one. I have found that it's easiest to make the Glogsters once you have all the information that you're going to use. For example, I've already put all the information I'm going to use into a Word document. That way I can just copy and paste in. I'm going to start with making a wall, a background. And they literally have hundreds to choose from. My theme, I'm doing a Glogster on the environmental impact of e-waste. So the environment will be the theme of mine. I'm just going to go on, scroll through. And once you found one that you like, it's really just as simple as selecting it and click use it. And there it is. You're going to X out of that. To put text in, it's much like selecting the wall backgrounds. Click on text, and they have a whole bunch of different templates and like stickers and tags that allow you to copy and paste information in. I'm going to select this. There we go. You can just drag it, place it wherever you want on your poster board. I'm going to go into my Word document, highlight, copy. You're going to click edit in your glog, get rid of that, and paste it in. It's as simple as that. If you want to go and change the text, go back into edit. You can click AB1. It has different fonts that you can use, colors, and font sizes. Click OK. We're going to go ahead and make another one. And again, it's just as simple as selecting a template or a tag. And this computer's acting up, but normally it goes much smoother than this. I'm gonna go back into my Word document, select, copy. Let's get this out of the way. Get rid of post to yourself. And no matter how much information you put in, the Glogster automatically puts in a little scroll bar. So it does not matter if you have too much information, it automatically puts one in for you. The same thing goes for images. These are images that I have used on my previous blog that I did with this, and these are already on eWay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these. Select. You can add a frame. So kids can really get creative with this and really personalize it. You can add a cute frame. Use it. X out. You're gonna edit, maybe make it a little smaller. Okay, so to make it smaller, let's see, this computer is giving me a lot of trouble. There we go. And then grab it and drag it up. Let's get rid of that. I'll just delete that. That was in our way. There we go. The magnet tool gets in your way a little bit. You can just minimize it. You want to add text. You can do so very easily. I want to add a title. Like that one. X out. You're going to edit this. E. Maybe that wasn't the best title box graphic to use. Maybe I could have gone with the one that's a little bit wider versus square, but for our purposes that works just fine. Graphics. And this is just, you know, really for aesthetic purposes. You can think green. Pull out a recycling graphic. X that out. You can size it. You can add video. You can add sound. It's actually quite easy. You go onto YouTube. You copy and paste a link that you like. And it's really just about copy and pasting a link here. I have a link already saved from the previous Glogster and that was just one that I found on YouTube. Copy and pasted the link, and here it is. You're gonna click use it. And as soon as that loads, you got a video. It's really just that easy. you're really just dragging things in and uploading. It's so easy. Um, you can add sound in the same way. In order to add data, I guess we can't do that. You have to have a subscription. I want to show you the one that I've done previously. So I'm going to go back, if I can get there somehow. Let's save it. I'm going to just save it as a blog tutorial. Back to dashboard. And this is the first one I made. And I made this one has a lot of stuff going on, but it's essentially all the same stuff where you copy and paste your information from a Word document. That's the easiest way to do it. It's also, that way you can also make sure it's proofread and is error free. The images are all copied from Google, or essentially from Google, copy and pasted into images or uploaded. The video is just one that I found on YouTube, and I copied the link and pasted it into where we saw before, that box they give us. And everything else is text and graphics. And once it's up, you know, you can really just scroll down through, and it's quite nice. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's easy for even young grades to do, and it's a great tool to have kids work on and present in front of the class.